To get best promo codes for Uber Eats, you simply have to search on this website, that is wired.com. Click on this website on your browser. And here on the right, you will see there's a lot of options and different type of coupon codes available. To get a particular coupon, you simply have to click on this copy coupon or copy item list from here. And the second thing is, I will show you another website just like this, the second website called Time Magazine. This is also a best and available website to get free promo codes or discount code available. To get any of the code, you have to simply search out the offer you like and then click on the show code option. So you can do the same thing you have done in the previous website. This was the second genuine, and now move to the third website, that is the main and the best website for all of you. Now I will hop to this website that called Future of Fortune Recommends. In this website also you will get the same menu like all others. So this is how actually you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.